Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix lag in Brawl Stars. First of all, navigate and find Brawl Stars application in your phone. Just type in and search Brawl Stars and find your application. Then long press, go to information. Basically when you're playing, our phone will not attempt to close our game or restrict its activities, and basically we're going to make sure that our game is just untouched. Nothing is interfering with it. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to try and clear the cache of your game. That can also contribute to fixing your problem, so just go ahead and clear the cache. So just go ahead and click on clear cache, press OK, and now the cache is cleaned, and that possibly may fix your issues. Also make sure that in the connection method you have all of your Wi-Fi and both SIM cards enabled. Also you might also untick pause app activity if unused. It's unnecessary. You're going to be actively playing the game, so that's not necessary. Also something you want to do is you want to open up speed test and just run your connection speed test to make sure that your internet can actually keep up with playing online. So just go ahead and press on and test your internet speed. Also of course make sure that you're playing through your Wi-Fi and your home internet cable connection. So basically cable internet and not the mobile SIM card internet. 3G, 4G, cable internet will always be better than the mobile internet, just keep that in mind. And these are the fixes that you can do to try and attempt to fix your connection issues with Brawl Stars. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, press the like button and subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I will see you next time.